box. And it's got some test. Put space in there. Also, if you need to turn on data transmit, if there's data program ready, you can do so manually by clicking read or request to send. Do it manually as well. Notice it turns on some of the data from up here. Okay. So it also allows you to do different things with your PC. Turn it off. And that's just a little quick demo. You can also send a file as well if you want to send a short program. Unless I'm looping it back into my PC. You can look at it, just verify your cable doesn't draw good characters. If you have any cable issues or grounding issues in the cable, you can see some odd characters as well. Okay. Also, when you're using loopback testing, if you have a 200-foot cable and you're looping it back to your PC, you're actually in a sense saying that data communications over 400 feet. So keep that in mind when you're testing it. Which this is handy for if you want to test out cables and you've got a what they call a loopback tester. If you have a loopback tester, what you can do is get a loopback tester here. Okay. I'll go ahead and clear all this information out of here. And what's nice is, well, I've got a loopback tester plugged into the other end of the cable on the DB25 side now. Disconnected from the machine. So if we want to check our cable, or at least our transmit and receive signals, we can, again, just set up like you normally would. And what we can do is we can use this transmit here. We can send a file, or what I like to use is this little utility here that says transmit macros. And you can put anything you want. Test. And this is how quickly you want to it's a repeat interval. So if I want to click it, just say test once. Just click the box. And it's constantly saying test. Put space in there. You can do whatever you like. Which this is handy for if you want to test out cables and you've got a what they call a loopback tester. If you have a loopback tester, what you can do is get a loopback tester here. Okay. I'll go ahead and clear all this information out of here. And what's nice is, well, I've got a loopback tester plugged into the other end of the cable on the DB25 side now. Disconnected from the machine. So if we want to check our cable, or at least our transmit and receive signals, we can, again, just set up like you normally would. And what we can do is we can use this transmit here. We can send a file, or what I like to use is this little utility here that says transmit macros. And you can put anything you want. Test. And this is how quickly you want to it's a repeat interval. So if I want to click it, just say test once. Also, if you need to turn on data transmit, if there's data program ready, you can do so manually by clicking read or request to send. Do it manually as well. Notice it turns on some of the data from up here. Okay. So it also allows you to do different things with your PC. Turn it off. And that's just a little quick demo. You can also send a file as well if you want to send a short program. Unless I'm looping it back into my PC. You can look at it, just verify your cable doesn't draw good characters. If you have any cable issues or grounding issues in the cable, you can see some odd characters as well. Okay. Also, when you're using loopback testing, if you have a 200-foot cable and you're looping it back to your PC, you're actually in a sense saying that data communications over 400 feet. So keep that in mind when you're testing.